That wasn't no regular move. That was a great cinema.
What's up, my beautiful people? This your boy King KEVO, and guess what? I'm live, dirty, and yeah, man. So, man, as y'all can see, man, I done had a heck of a time with this mug, man. I had to do a part 2 to go ahead and dive into this. I couldn't get the hard drive out, so I had to do a little, you know what I'm saying, little damage here and there, but it ain't nothing that'll mess it up, I'm sure. But I finally got that off. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get that caddy that I was talking about. I'm gonna put the other SSD drive in there, which this is the 1 terabyte. The other one is the 2 terabyte. I'm kind of thinking I might swap them, but right now for this video, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in there so y'all can see how this works. Let's get it. Let's put this over here just in case so we won't drop nothing, you know. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and slide this in there, man, because I had the heck of a time trying my best to get that drive out. I've never had problems like that, you know, dealing with, because I've done this before, you know, but man, I said, man, I'm gonna have to stop the video. I might have to break this mug out of here because the screws, they were so tight, they wouldn't even let me unloosen them, you know. Now we officially have 2 SSD drives. So we got, all together, we got 3 SSD drives. Well, I'm sorry, I take that back. We got 3 terabytes of SSD drive. I would never use all of that. But I got it just in case. You know what I'm saying? Just in case. Because like I say, I'm always doing projects and I just want to load up on my projects and have lots of room. So when I'm ready to drop them bad babies, I got plenty of room. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't have to erase things and, you know, that's just my process. Like I like to load up on videos and then eventually push them out, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this bad baby back together. Really, I really wanted to just show you guys how to break down a computer and, you know what I'm saying, like basically soup it up. Make it faster than what it was before. So yeah, more than likely I'm gonna show a video so y'all can see what I'm talking about. But I'm gonna make that the end of the video, man. I just want to say I thank y'all for checking out my video, being patient and waiting for the second video to the first video that I dropped, souping up the computer, turning it from I think it started off with 4 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM, and then it had like 500 gigabytes of hard drive space. I turned it from the 4 of the RAM to 16 gigabytes a day. I'm just tired of saying the same thing, y'all. And then I turned that 500 gigabytes of storage to 3 terabytes. So yeah, that's what the video was about. But like I say, man, I appreciate y'all for checking it out. I just ask that y'all give your boy a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, put some love down in the comment section, man. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can be notified and I can bug y'all again. And like I always say, man, I love y'all and God bless. Yeah.